umbrellas have gone, but the rains have stopped, and you can see here there are huge turnout here among people have turned out in large number. We are coming to you from Amin Gaon, which is part of the Jalukbari constituency, which is the assembly constituency of Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma. Usually he comes early to cast his vote, but what we are hearing that he'll come in the second half. But one interesting thing I want to show in this constituency is that on my right, if you can see this polling booth, there's a huge queue right from the morning. This polling booth is part of the Borpeta constituency, which is in Lower Assam. And on my left, the other polling booth, I will ask camera person Sanjay Chakrabarti to pan, and that polling booth is part of Guwahati constituency. So this is the impact of the last year's delimitation that the assembly segments in Assam saw, which led to redrawing of the boundaries of the Lok Sabha constituencies, and many watchers say this is going to impact the results of the elections, because in this phase, if you look at the 4 seats which have gone to polls today, apart from Guwahati constituency, where there is a battle between 2 women, 2 debutants, one from Congress, one from BJP. In other seats, it's the BJP allies who are contesting, and it is a big test of the BJP allies. The Borpeta constituency at this moment is with the Congress, but this time, because of delimitation, the dynamics of Hindu and the Muslim votes have changed in Borpeta, and therefore the number of Hindu votes have increased, and therefore BJP and allies have high hopes there. But talking about other constituencies, particularly Dhubri in Lower Assam, known as the Muslim heartland, where Maulana Badruddin Ajmal is contesting, he's having a tough fight with Congress and AGP, given the fact that there is anti-incumbency also in that seat. He has been an MP from 2009, but we have a lot of voters here waiting for hours. भाई साहब, क्या नाम है आपका?
संतनु रेखा।
कितने टाइम से खड़े हैं?
1-1.5 घंटा हो गया।
1-1.5 घंटा हो गया। बारिश आई, छतरी भी लेके आए हैं। अगर आज तूफान होने की बात थी, हेल स्टॉर्म होने की बात थी, अगर और भी ज्यादा बारिश आएगी, लोग रहेंगे, लोग वोट देके जाएंगे?
हाँ रहेंगे।
हमने फर्स्ट फेज में भी देखा, बहुत लोग उत्साह से वोट दिया। सेकंड फेज में भी लोग उत्साह से आए। असम में इस बार जो मैंने देखा है कि लोग बहुत उत्साहित है चुनाव के लिए। क्यों ऐसा है, इतना उत्साह, इतना उमंग?
ये तो अपना ये है ना, इसीलिए ड्यूटी है, मतलब ऐसा उत्साहित होगा ही।
So there you can see, the first phase also we saw voters turning up early morning. The weather was favorable in the first phase. Second phase, Assam actually crossed over 80% voting. And even this phase,
Yes.
the reports that we are getting in from different parts of the state is that despite overnight rains, that despite spell of showers in the morning, there have been turnout like this in most part of the state, most part of the 4 constituencies which have gone to polls today.
Yes.
And therefore, remember, if BJP has to increase its number of seats from Assam. Last time, out of 14, they had won 9.
Yes.
All 9 were BJP MPs. None of the allies could win. But this time, in this phase, its key ally, Assam Gana Parishad, which
Yes.
could not win in the Lok Sabha since 2000.
Right.
Since 2009, about
Okay.
2 decades.